Alright guys, so it is the next day that I'm recording this, so we're going to go ahead and do a nice little beat face. So I'm starting off with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. Now this is going to make your face super matte. I still feel like when I use this product I still have some breakthrough like greasy moments, but it works for the most part. Now I'm going to show you guys my eyebrows. I'm going to show you guys all the products that I use. I basically stick with the Kiss Top Brow products. They're pretty good. I use both of the products I'm going to show you guys in the color chocolate, and my eyebrows have been growing back lately, so I really don't do too much, but I get them to be really nice and sharp. So I'm going to show you guys a step. So I hope you guys appreciate this part. Eyebrows are super hard to do, but this is the easiest way I've learned how to do it, and I feel like they come out super nice this way. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to the eyes. So I decided to do my makeup a little bit different this time. Foundation will be last. So I'm working on the eyes. So I'm using the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette. So this is just very basic, no shimmers or anything. I wanted to do like a little bit of a crease, a little bit of a color. Start off with a plain base and add some color and build it on. So because I'm going to do a pop of color underneath my eyes, I wanted to do like a little bit of drama but keep it as simple as possible. This palette I got from Marshall's for about $20. It's on the website for $23, so go ahead and check it out. But I feel like this is a really solid palette if you're going for basic looks and some drama looks as well. Alright guys, so now that we're done carving a pencil in our eye, we're going to go ahead now and conceal. So I'm using the LA Girls HD Pro Conceal in Toffee. Now I'm setting this with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, which is my favorite powder. I'm going to set twice. I'm going to show you guys what I set with after. So after you're done with this guys, you're going to go in with your favorite bronzer. So I use this to kind of buff it into the hairline, give me more of a nice chiseled contour. Now this is a bronzing powder, but you could go ahead and use it as a contour powder. There's no rules to stuff like this. If you're someone that doesn't like to do this really chiseled type of look, really get in there and contour your face, you can go ahead and skip this step. But for me, I like to do it this way, so this is what I'm going to do. And when you have a lace wig and stuff like that, you really want to kind of formulate a hairline that looks really nice. So I do go around and make sure that the hairline is actually buffed in as well. So this is what I do, guys, and I think it works for me. Alright guys, for my girls out there that like an extra beat, I do go ahead in with the Fenty Beauty Banana Powder and just add a little bit extra underneath my eye. This will give you that extra kind of glowy look when you take pictures, no flashback. Now I also do go in with blush. Now I wasn't a big blush person in the past, but I do feel like it gives you this really rosy kind of rich look. Now this is not for everyone guys, but I do go ahead and use some of that blush on my nose. It just gives me a really nice kind of like look, and I also go on my chin as well too. It just gives me a really nice feel. So after you're done doing that, we're gonna actually go ahead and buff this out, and we're gonna go ahead and spray. Now the spray that I'm going to spray my face with, guys, warning, it is very fragrant and it's very shocking in the beginning. This product is also actually pretty expensive as well too. So the spray that I'm actually using, guys, is from Huda Beauty. Now this one's about $32. It's the Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray, but it does the job. Alright guys, so I know some of you guys are very curious about the wand curler, so I left all the information down below. I left a coupon code for 70% off, along with the link for this specific 32mm wand curler. Now this product is really nice, guys. I think it's listed as $95, but you could go ahead and use my coupon code. So I just wanted to go for some light curls, and this did the job. I am going to use the Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray just to hold the curls in. It lasted all day, just like a nice flowy wave, which was perfect for me. Now I know you guys are going to ask me about my contact lenses. I did insert it in the beginning of the video. These contact lenses are from ttdi.com. These are the amber brown lenses, guys. I do have a coupon code. The coupon code is Dominique, so you guys can save some money today. Love these contact lenses, super natural, and everyone is asking me where they're from. The link will be left down below. Alright people, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair/makeup tutorial. I will leave all the information down below in regards to this unit, guys. Thank you so much to Eullair Hair for sending me this unit. So I am actually going on vacation tomorrow, so I wanted to install something that I actually could wear that's lightweight, still has a really nice look, great hairline and everything. So I decided to install this one for my trip tomorrow. So this is going to be the wig that I wear for the first few days of the trip, and then I'll switch off to another unit. But all in all, guys, I think that this came out super pretty. I did do some light wand curls in it. I'll leave the wand curl information down below per usual. So all in all, guys, I'm very satisfied. I think that everything came out nice. You guys often ask me about my eyeliner, so let me look in here to find the eyeliner to show you guys exactly what it is, because you guys ask me about this blue eyeliner all the time. So this eyeliner, guys, is the NK Makeup Eyeliner Pencil. I got this for $1 at the beauty supply store, and the color that I'm using is A08 Chaos. So this blue color really pops. I love this color all season long. Fall, winter, spring, summer, it just goes with everything. Love this blue color. It's like electric blue, and it's only $1 at the beauty supply store, guys. So here is the look, guys. I did it like this time. Added like a little bit of color in the crease, but kept the base kind of simple, and added the pop of blue. So I think it came out really cute, guys. Let me know what you guys think. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.